Good morning, dear students. This is Nitin Garg, your IT teacher. Students, today I am going to start the new chapter of Unit 3rd, chapter number 5, editing a document. Students, this is the part 3rd video of Unit 3rd. In this video tutorial, I will cover the below topics. First one is undo and redo commands. Next is selecting the text. Next is copying and pasting the text. Next is moving the text, how we can move the text from one place to another place in our document. Next is find and replace the text. As in my previous video, I have already explained you about the editing. Editing means making corrections to it and manipulating it in such a manner that would lead to the desired result. Means you can make the changes in your document, right? Editing process includes inserting, deleting, copying and moving. Next term is undo and redo. Undo command. First of all, undo command allows you to cancel the last action performed. The actions which you have performed previously, that actions will be cancelled by the undo command. Just have a look, students, how we can cancel the last actions. Suppose look at this document. This is the MS Word document. From this document, I am deleting some words. First of all, I am selecting means and deleted this word. I am selecting allows and deleting this word. And then I am selecting reverses word and then deleting. So in that way, I have deleted 3 words. Means, allows and reverses. So these 3 are the last actions which I have performed. So what is the use of undo command? Undo command allows you to cancel the last action. And the shortcut key for undo command is Ctrl plus Z. So now I am pressing the Ctrl plus Z key from the keyboard, and the words which I have deleted, these words will be retrieved. Means the commands will be cancelled. Ctrl plus Z I am pressing, reverses, then allows and then means. Right? So this is the use of undo command. Now redo command. What is the use of redo command? Redo command reverses the action which is performed by the undo command. Right? It reverses the actions which is performed by the undo command. The actions which I have performed by the undo command is, first of all, I have deleted the words means, allows and reverses. These 3 words I have deleted, and then again I have retrieved these words through the undo command. But redo command, it reverses the action performed by the undo command. Now again these words will be deleted. These words will not visible if I am pressing the Ctrl plus Y key combination. Ctrl plus Y key combination, it is used for redo command. Just have a look. Ctrl plus Y key combination I am pressing. Ctrl plus Y. These 3 words again deleted. अनडू कमांड से मैंने अभी इन 3 वर्ड्स को क्या करा था, वापस लेकर आया था, एंड रीडू कमांड से क्या हो गया, ये रिवर्स हो गया, वापस क्या हो गई है, विजिबल, वो हिडन. राइट? सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अनडू एंड रीडू कमांड. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज selecting the text. How we can select the text? This is the next topic. Now I am opening a file which I have already created on my computer. Right, students? First of all, if selecting the text, to select a word, I want to select a word. How we can select a word? Just double click on that word and that word will be selected. I am clicking on that word, domain. Double click on that word will be selected. Next, to select a sentence, if you want to select a sentence, hold down the Ctrl key and click anywhere in the sentence. Just have a look. This is the sentence. From here, this is the complete sentence, right? Now hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. The complete sentence will be selected. Next is to select a paragraph. How we can select a paragraph? Click anywhere in the paragraph. Triple click anywhere in the paragraph. 3 times you have to click the left mouse button to select a complete paragraph. First, second, third. Now I am clicking 3 times. The complete paragraph will be selected. To select a large block of text, if you want to select a large block of text, right, click at the beginning of the text. I am clicking here at the beginning of the text. World Wide Web, वर्ड पे क्लिक किया मैंने, right, and then press and hold down the shift key. Click at the end of the text up to where you want to select, right? I have clicked here logically after the logically word. So in that way we can select the large block of text. Next is to select the entire document. How we can select the entire document? Using the Ctrl plus A key combination. I am pressing the Ctrl plus A key combination. In that way we can select the entire document. Complete document will be selected. All pages will be selected. Next is consecutive text. To select the consecutive text. Consecutive text means one after the other. How we can select the consecutive text? Bring the mouse pointer to the desired location and click. Suppose I am clicking here before the len. Len stands for len, right? Hold down the shift key and click at the end of the required text. Consecutive text means one after the other up to where you want to select the text. I have clicked here. So in that way we can select the consecutive text. मैं यहाँ पे भी click कर सकता हूँ here, here, here. So in that way you can select the consecutive text. Next is vertical block of text. How you can select a vertical block of text? Vertical means you can select the text from top to bottom, right? To select the vertical block of text, press and hold down the Alt key, right? Press and hold down the Alt key and drag the mouse vertically in that way. In that way you can select the vertical block of text, right students? So these are the different ways to select the text. Next topic is copying and pasting the text. How we can copy and paste the text? All of you know very well, I think you have studied this in your previous classes also. First of all, what is copying? Copying the text means to keep the text at its original location as well as copy it to another location. Means we can create a duplicate copy of the selected text. Just have a look how we can do. Suppose I am selecting here question number 36. Write a short note on web address and the answer. That part I have selected to copy the text. First of all, you have to select the text and go to the home tab. From the clipboard group, select copy option, right? And then bring the mouse pointer at the desired location where you want to paste the text. Suppose I want to paste the text here, right? Then again go to the home tab and then select the paste option. In that way your text will be copied. Duplicate copy of the selected text will be created, right students? Next method to copy and paste. Suppose I am again selecting this text, right? Right click on the selected text and select copy option and bring the mouse pointer to the desired location where you want to paste and then right click and then select the paste option. So your text will be copied here. A duplicate copy of the text will be created in that way. Third method to copy the text. How we can copy the text? Third method is using the shortcut key combination. Right? Suppose again I am selecting this question. I am selecting this text. Shortcut key to copy the text is Ctrl plus C, and then place the mouse pointer to the desired location and press the Ctrl plus V combination from the keyboard. So in that way we can create the duplicate copy of the selected text, right? But the original text will be available at its original location. It will not be deleted, right students? Next topic is moving the text. Moving feature allows you to change the position of the selected text from one place to another. Moving means the position of the selected text will be changed, right? It will be deleted from the original location and it will be pasted to another location. So just have a look how we can move the text. Suppose I am selecting this question number 35, right? And then how we can move the text? Move the text process includes cut and paste, and copying the text includes copy and paste. So go to the home tab and then select cut option from the clipboard group. Cut, and then you can paste the text here. I am pasting the text here. Again go to the home tab, from the clipboard group select paste option. So this text will be placed here and it will be deleted from its original location. Question number 35 is not present here, right students? So in that way we can cut and paste the text. Next method to cut and paste the text is using the shortcut key combination, right? Suppose I am selecting this text from here. After selecting the text, press Ctrl plus X key combination from the keyboard. Ctrl plus X, it is used to cut the text, and place the mouse pointer to the desired location and press Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V, it is used to paste the text. Now the selected text will be moved from one place to another place. Here the selected text is not present. Third method to move the text is just you have to select the text, right click on the text and select cut option. Place the mouse pointer to the desired location. I am placing here. Right click and select paste option. So these are the three methods to copy and paste the text and moving the text. Next is find and replace. How we can find out a text? Find and replace. Find means while looking certain words in large documents, it is very inconvenient to go through the entire text. If you want to look to a particular word in your document, then it is impossible to find out that particular word. So for that purpose we use the find command. So what are the steps to use the find command? Just go to the home tab. From the editing group, click onto the find option, drop down arrow of the find option and select advanced find. This is the find and replace dialog box. You have to type the word here, which word you want to find. Suppose I am typing here printer, right? Then click onto the find next option. then printer word will be highlighted. Again click on to the find next, printer word will be highlighted again. In that way printer word will be highlighted, right? So in that way you can find out a particular word in your document. Next method to find out a document is select the find option from the editing group. This is the find and replace dialog box. Here this is the navigation pane at the left hand side of your screen. From the navigation pane type the word which you want to find. I am typing here printer. Now the printer word will be highlighted, the word which you want to find in that way. Right, students? Next topic is find and replace. If you want to find out a particular word and replace it with another word, so for that purpose follow the steps. First of all, go to the home tab, and then from the home tab go to the editing group and then select replace option. This is the find and replace dialog box, and by default replace tab will be highlighted, right? Now which word you want to find? सपोज करो मैंने यहाँ पे प्रिंटर लिखा, मैं आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड द प्रिंटर वर्ड एंड रिप्लेस विद which from which word you want to replace the printer word text. I want to replace the printer with password, right? Just have a look. If you want to replace one by one, then this is the replace button. Replace button replaces the search text with the new text, means search text which is the search text printer, and the new text is replaced with password, but it replaced one by one. And replace all button replaces all the search text with the new text at once. It replaces all the search text at once. So I am clicking on replace all button. Okay, and then close. So just look at here, define password. पहले यहाँ पर क्या था, डिफाइन प्रिंटर, एक्सप्लेन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पासवर्ड. पहले यहाँ पे क्या था, एक्सप्लेन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रिंटर. फिर यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, पासवर्ड, ए पासवर्ड, नॉन इम्पैक्ट पासवर्ड्स, इम्पैक्ट पासवर्ड्स, इम्पैक्ट पासवर्ड, नॉन इम्पैक्ट पासवर्ड, नॉन इम्पैक्ट पासवर्ड, डेजिविल पासवर्ड, डेजिविल, डॉट मैट्रिक्स पासवर्ड. बट ऑल दीज पासवर्ड वर्ड्स आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय द प्रिंटर वर्ड, राइट? पहले यहाँ सब इन सब वर्ड्स में क्या था, यहाँ पे प्रिंटर. अगेन आई वांट टू रिप्लेस द पासवर्ड वर्ड विद द प्रिंटर. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगा, पासवर्ड को कॉपी करूँगा, कहाँ पर टाइप करूँगा, फाइंड व्हाट पे, एंड देन रिप्लेस किससे करना है मुझे पासवर्ड को, आई वांट टू रिप्लेस द पासवर्ड विद प्रिंटर, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन रिप्लेस ऑल बटन. ओके, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन क्लोज ऑप्शन. Now the question is, just have a look. Define printer, explain different types of printer, non-impact printer, impact printer, non-impact printer, impact printers, dot matrix printer, decibel printer. Right. So in that way, we can use the find and replace command. The shortcut key for find and replace dialog box is Ctrl plus H. I am pressing the Ctrl plus H key combination from the keyboard. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus H. Right, and to find out the text, shortcut key is Ctrl plus F. Next, jumping to the page number. In this document, how many pages are there? 5 pages are there in my document. So I want to jump from first page to 5th page. This jumping feature is used whenever you want to go to the, suppose 20th page, 50th page, if your document contains 100 pages or 200 pages and you want to go to the in between the pages. So for jumping to the page number, go to feature is used. Just have a look how we can do the practical of jumping the page number. Click on the page number available on the status bar. This is the status bar. Click onto the page number option. The find and replace dialog box opens. This is the find and replace dialog box. By default, go to tab is selected. Enter the page number and in go to what page option is selected. Here you have to enter the page number on which page you want to go, you want to move. Suppose I am typing here page number 4 and then click onto the go to option. So this is page number 4. Look at the status bar, page 4 of 5. Now we are on page number 4 of out of 5 pages. So that's it for the day. Students, thank you. Have a nice day.